Hello and welcome to The Broken Doll, and today I come to you with an update of my shop and where we're at. So I want you to follow this with me. Starting up here, all the way down. Now you follow this underneath my house, well, down by the bottom of my home. Coming here. See that black? This black thing right there, that's what we're looking at. Okay, and then here, they're not done with it yet though. Okay, now underneath the ground it goes. Whoa, let me see if I can get that now. There we go. Now all the way underneath the ground, you can see where the ground's been disturbed and dug up. Going all the way out. There's like a bit of a hump in the ground. Okay, we come here. We'll keep walking out here. And then we're going to come to the shop here. And then running up the side of the house here. Okay, there we go. So coming to there. Now we're going to come in here. Let's see where we're at. Alright. Now coming in here, I have electricity now. There's my breaker box right there. Isn't that nice? And I got plastic. It's totally, let's start right here. It's totally insulated. Insulated all the way there, all the way there, all the way around. We're insulated, and now drywall. We have a bit of drywall up here, okay, just a bit. The reason why we got this done right now is because this cord hanging out here is where my heating and cooling is going to be, and that comes in this Friday. All right, that's where a light will be, okay? So, a lot of good stuff happening here. A lot of good stuff. And we're going to have a sink put into a counter. I was going to go for like a tub where it had 4 legs and everything. But then he proposed to me, he said, why not? He proposed the idea of having a sink, just a sink put into the counter itself. And I went, ooh, I like that better. So that's what we're going to have here. But that will be, like the sink will be installed, but no water until the spring. Okay, to the middle of spring when the ground is not as frozen. So not trying to turn this around too much here, okay? So a lot of stuff going on, a lot of stuff. Okay, so we're doing really good here. So it'll be, he said it should be in by the end of February. He said it'll be just going, after we get the heating in, it'll be just bang, 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 bang. But I'm going to just shut this door for a second here. Now another thing what we're going to do is, I've been really thinking about putting that little ante room up the front. I've kind of declined it now because you change as you move along and I'm seeing things differently. I'm not going to put that out the front now. I want to put the money into some other things in here. I would prefer for myself. And what we're going to do is we're going to just temporarily, like this door will not be activated anymore, this one right here. We're going to seal it up so the mice can't get in because we know that's where they're coming in. This is the space that they're coming into. So what we're going to do is because everything else is sealed up, he said there was no space where they could get in through the building itself. Everything was sealed tight. He went up as far as he could upstairs, nothing up there he could, like he could see where they could come in. Where we're thinking they're coming in is right there. And a mouse can come into the most smallest of smallest space. These little mice that I've been finding, they're tiny little things. They're not great big mice either. They're just little things. So the thing is, they're coming right through there, and that's where they're coming in. So what we're going to do is we're going to get that sealed up so they can't come in, and then we're going to be putting some weather stripping on the door so that's sealed up so they can't. And this door won't be activated right now. We're going to leave it because I never use it. I never open it, never do a thing with it. But if I need to, I can get to it, and I can open it. Okay, there will be a way for me to do it. So, anyhow, but it's going to be made so that right now I won't be able to touch it at the time being. We'll have it so I can later, but right now, no. So anyways, we'll move on, away from the doors now. So, we're going to come around to here, and after we get the heating element put in, and that will take 1 day, they said, they'll be working on it for the day. They'll be coming in at 8 o'clock in the morning, which means I need to be up at 7:30 in the morning, or 7 o'clock, be in the morning, get up at that early, be ready for them, because they'll have to open up the shop so they can come in, and they'll be out here just working away for the whole time being. And mid-afternoon, Eric is going to come and see how they've been doing and check in on things and things like that. So there we are, everybody. That's my update. And then things will be just moving. Now, we've been talking about the stairs here, what he could do. He said he could seal this off with drywall. And I asked him, and we can make this into like a closet of some sort right here, so that I can keep supplies in if I want to, like my broom, a vacuum cleaner, things like that. Well, my son wanted to use this as a bookshelf because this is his area. So I'm going to see about if he can build a bookshelf that can come out and be the door itself. He was going to put a door on here. And I said, well, my son wanted to use this as a bookshelf. So is there any way that we can make a bookshelf that fits inside but that can be moved out, and that would be the door? If you can understand what I'm saying, it'll be on a hinge and you just pull it out and walk in, close the bookshelf up type of thing. Something to think about. You'll have a back on it, of course, so the books don't fall. So the only way you get the book is from the front. There'll be a back on it. So something we'll think about and see. That's something he said he can make this into, is an actual, make this an area where that we could use it for something. So I like that idea, big time. So that was nice to hear, of something we could, maybe somehow, somewhere we could, you know, sometime we'll be able to do that. That's way down the road, something to look into. But right now, it's just getting all this other stuff done. And next will be insulating the ceilings and drywalling them. And then I'll be coming in to paint once we get some heat in here. So it'll be moving right along. Move. You know, a couple coats of white paint on here, and it's going to look nice, bright, and crisp. So I'm excited about that. Then the counters will go up. So we got a lot going on. It's kind of slow right now for this week because we couldn't get the guys to come in until this Friday. That was the best we could get. So we're just going to move along with it the way we are and just keep dealing with it. So I got a few days to myself here, so I'm going to go out and stock the house up with some food so I don't have to run out Friday. And along we go. So anyways, there we are, everybody. So that's the update on my shop. Everything's looking really good in here. So I'm going to come out here and do some sweeping over here and get that bag taken out after they pick up my garbage on Tuesday night, or Wednesday I should say. So that's it for my shop, everybody. And in the spring they'll dig again and put my pipe in for my water. So I hope you like that little update I'm giving you here. I know I've been missing in action right now because I've been busy with this here. Running to the store with Eric and just doing stuff, you know, getting stuff ready and moving along. So we're coming. So everybody have a great day. I hope you like this here. So yeah, I'm not going to put that little ante room on now. I think I'm just going to stay away from that for right now. Put a new roof on for sure. It's going to be a steel roof, so we'll get that done for sure. But I kind of backed out a bit. I think I'm just going to bring my bench and just put it in there somehow, and we'll deal with it. We'll make it work. So have a great day, everybody. We'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.